This video talks about how to find an argumentative topic. Number one, write about what you know. I have given you a list which gives you some topics to write about, but I prefer that you write about something that you know about rather than choosing from the list. You know a lot about something. Find a topic that is about that information. See if you can fashion an argumentative paper about it. It has to have at least two sides. And if it's something that you're interested in, it's going to be a much better topic. Make certain, number two, that the topic is not too big. For example, I've had people try to write about the internet. Well, the internet is simply too large. You may write about a particular website that you think everybody should visit or is helpful or is worthwhile, because that could have two sides. Other people could say the site is not worthwhile. But to write about the entire internet is too big. You could write about a musical artist, but it's better to write about one CD. You can't write about all the music industry. Another kind of topic you should avoid, and it's too big, avoid writing about the influence of something on someone. That is an extremely difficult topic to prove. How can you prove that something has influenced someone to do something? I've had students in the past to try to write about the influence of rap music. Well, how can you prove that? It would be much better for you to write about a rap artist and maybe a CD that you think is inappropriate, or you could write a review about a CD that you think everybody should listen to. That is a manageable essay. So avoid a topic that is too large. Number three, make certain that the topic is not too personal. If you were going to write about a topic about your boyfriend or girlfriend, that's too personal. However, you might be able to find a topic that deals with relationships. You could bring in your personal evidence, but it can't be so personal that it only applies to you. Remember, you're writing to an audience. Number four, make certain that the topic has at least two sides. If it doesn't have two sides, you don't have an argumentative essay. You don't have an argumentative topic. It's an argumentative topic because you're trying to persuade us to your point of view. Should we do this or should we do this? Is this right or is this wrong? And you're trying to tell us why your point of view is the correct viewpoint. And finally, number five, you argue for only one side. However, you do acknowledge the other side in your essay. That's called the concession refutation paragraph. Typically, it's the paragraph before the conclusion. It doesn't have to be. It can appear anywhere, but you do have to acknowledge that other people feel differently about your topic. So these are 5 points for finding an argumentative topic. But the number one piece of advice I have is to choose something of interest to you. It's going to be a much better topic. And also keep the other things in mind, that it's not too big, it's not too personal, that it has at least two sides. You argue for one side, but you do acknowledge the other side in one paragraph. But it cannot sound as though you are changing sides in the middle of your paper, because that's going to be confusing. I hope that helps. Good luck.